So using your gift card in Epic Games is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how to use your gift cards in your Epic Games. As you guys can see, I'm at the Epic Games. There are two kind of gift cards. So the first one is, which is Epic Games gift card. The second one is Visa card or any other card. So first of all, I'm going to teach you how to add the Epic Games gift card. So for that, you just have to hover on your name and you just have to click on this redeem code, and then there you go, you need to type your Epic Games gift card number. After typing in the number, you just have to click on redeem and you will have some credit in your Epic account that you can use to purchase game. But this now let's talk about the second option, how to use Visa gift card. So for that, you just have to go to store, and in store you just have to select a game you just want to buy, Red Dead Redemption game, and here I'm going to click on buy now, and it will take me to the checkout page, and here you guys can see it is loading my order. And now you just have to enter your credit card, and in credit card you can easily use the Visa gift card that you have. You just need to put the information for your Visa gift card, or you can also use a credit X, and after that you just have to click on display. So what it will do is it will charge from your Visa gift card. So that's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.